I just received this ink. I purchased it on Amazon. And I'm doing a quick video to let you know whether it works or not. So I'm going to pour it into my Epson 25, what is this? These printers, they're both the same printer. ET2550. So I'm putting it in here, right? And I'm gonna try it out instead of the Epson brand. And I'll use it probably between a week to a month. And then I'll finish off the video letting you know whether it's the same type of ink, if it makes no difference. It is a little bit cheaper, and I'll see if it's worthy to. But for the most part, I'll just let you know whether it works, if there's any clogs, you know. I'll be the test subject of this ink before you buy it. But you buy this ink at your own risk. I'm not responsible for warranty voids or anything. I don't think there is a warranty void, but you know, be careful when you use off-brands and you're not using OEM brands. So you're doing this at your own risk for the savings, but the savings may not be worth it. So it's up to you. Don't follow what I'm doing. You know, just be guided with your own, with the user manual and the rules and all that stuff in regards to the printer. I'm just looking to be cheap, so hopefully these will work and it'll work fine. If you're looking to be cheap also, just like me, then I'll let you know if these printers work well. Oh, this ink works well on this printer. So I'm gonna pour it in, try out some printouts and everything. I'll be back in a week to a month and let you know yay or nay on the ink. We have been printing for a while now. We usually don't print color. I have to get some photo paper, but we've been printing. Well, it hasn't even moved. It was higher than the line itself, but we've printed several, probably I'm gonna say at least 300 pages of different documents, a couple of photos, small photos, 5x7s maybe, on regular paper. No issues whatsoever with the ink, no clogging, no nothing. This ink was put into a brand new printer. This printer's brand new. It was in the box. The reason we didn't have the original ink is that we actually took it out of the box and used it for an older printer instead of having to go buy new ink. So this one we removed the ink from the new packaging a while back. So the replacement ink works, great price, no issues whatsoever. Again, I am no ink expert. You do this at your own risk using a third-party ink, as Epson doesn't suggest that at all, but that's fine. I have had no issues. This is my own real-world use, no clogging, no nothing. There doesn't seem to know that it's a different manufacturer or a different type of ink. Everything seems to be working just fine. No issues whatsoever. So I hope the video helps in deciding whether to use the ink or not. Like I said, it's just no issues whatsoever. And this is I've owned the Epson printer family. I have the 4500 or 4550. It's been at least 5 years of ownership with these printers, Epson EcoTank printers, which I love it. I love these printers. So I have the 4500 and the 2500, and I've never bought authentic Epson ink. Now, no issues with the Epson ink. They just tend to be pricier than the third-party ones. So I have those small bottles. I was just showing it to do this video, but I have bottles probably, I'm gonna say about 10 times the size of those ink bottle containers that I showed you earlier. I have actually, I don't know where I purchased them. I was gonna purchase them again, but I have no idea where I had purchased them. But I needed an additional set at another location. That's why I bought that one, because I can't get my hands on the large bottled ones. They're somewhere else. So I had to purchase from Amazon because I needed to print. Came fast, no issues whatsoever. I've been using third-party ink for the longest with no issues whatsoever. Again, you do that at your own risk. Okay, I hope the video helps. I hope you liked it. Thank you. Bye.
Some info on item. All items purchased on Amazon. All items cost $6.99. LD compatible ink bottle replacement for Epson 664 T664120 high yield, black. LD compatible ink bottle replacement for Epson 664 T664120 high yield, cyan. LD compatible ink bottle replacement for Epson 664 T664420 high yield, yellow. LD compatible ink bottle replacement for Epson 664 T664320 high yield, magenta. Brand LD products color black compatibility options remanufactured about this item. For use in Epson ET16500, ET2500, ET2550, ET2600, ET2650, ET3600, ET4500, Epson Expression, ET2500, ET2550, ET2600, ET2650, ET3600. Epson Eco Printer, L1300, L200, L220, L300, L310, L350, L365, L455, L565, Epson Workforce, ET16500, ET4500. 100% satisfaction and lifetime guarantee. Page yield per bottle, 4,000 vertical bar shelf life, 24 to 36 months. Epson is a registered trademark of W. Seiko Epson Kabushiki Keisha Corporation. And is not affiliated with and does not endorse LD products. Product description. Don't risk it. Usel reliable ink and toner. High quality. Ink experts. 100% compatible with your printer. Securely packed. Brilliant, long-lasting colors. Print up to 40% more with high yield. LD products. Product information. Technical details. Manufacturer Epson. Brand LD products. Item weight 3.2 ounces. Package dimensions 5.6 by 1.6 by 1.6 inches. Is discontinued by manufacturer no. Color black. Manufacturer part number T664120. Additional information. ASIN B01 Kaijsp.